Hey guys, so welcome back to Stack. This is how to send voice messages on Discord PC. So guys, to do this, you can just simply go ahead and go to vanguard.dev. So from here, you have to download this plugin in order for you to do this. So select download Vanguard and download Vanguard installer.exe. And now from here, you will just simply open up the plugin that you did. And from here, you will just simply select install. Now, after that, you will just simply open up the Discord application on your computer. And now, if it's open, make sure to close it and reopen it again. And from here, you can just simply go for the user settings down below. And from here, you will have plugins and just simply find here voice. And from here, you will have the voice messages. Turn it on. And now, when I go to my friend or anyone, I should be able to select the plus icon and I will now have send a voice message. And pretty much over here, you can start recording, you can upload a file, and once you have done everything, you can just simply send it to your friend. You can speed it up, and from here, they will have a voice message. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.